I'm new to gardening. I have 3 raised beds. My question is eggplant and Brussels sprouts. Will these grow in a raised bed? Are they companions that can grow together? Do they need supports as well to vine on? I don't see any issue for growing those items, eggplant and Brussels sprouts together. Brussels sprouts, one thing to keep in mind is when you are growing Brussels sprouts, they take a long time to grow.
And a lot of space.
So
they'll get as big around as a 55-gallon drum. So you're looking at 2.5, maybe 30 to 38 to 36 inches in diameter. Yeah. They are big old plants.
They do get big, and they kind of get like a little bit bushy, I guess. Yeah. You don't need to support them. They grow their own stalk, and then you do want to top them, if Joy wants to explain that.
At the time that you start seeing the Brussels develop in the conjunction of the stalk and the limb, you want to take and cut off the top growth tip. It's not going to hurt the plant. You take 6 inches off the top. It'll stop the vertical growth and focus heavily on the sprout development. And that's usually, about 45 days following that, 60 days, you're going to start harvesting sprouts after that. But that is a way to increase. It's just like cutting the scape off of a hard-necked garlic. You're putting the energy into the bulb development rather than continuing with the growth of the plant or the seed production. So companion planting, we've never followed a companion plant chart ever.
I wonder if they mean that they want to like interplant them between the Brussels sprouts, the eggplant. I would not do that because the Brussels sprouts will shade.
Right.
Yeah, we'll shade those eggplants out. So if you want to plant them like one side Brussels sprouts, the other side eggplants, you can certainly do that.
There's not. I mean, I'm sure there's some. You shouldn't do this. I don't see a problem with it planting them together, but spacing them accordingly is best.